We're back. We missed some of the fun with getting the exhaust gasket back in for the catalytic converter. That was kind of wild. My camera was dead. It's okay. But we're gonna install some AC lines, possibly some side skirts on the Integra. Because AC, that's why. Daily. Hashtag daily. Hashtag need AC. Hashtag fixed power steering. But look at this beautiful valve cover. Isn't it marvelous?
This is a little overkill.
How many extensions is too many extensions?
There's never enough extensions.
Never enough extensions. Beautiful. Or maybe not.
That thing was a pain. Yeah, I'll set the jumper.
Watch your mouth. Mew, 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 mew. Rusty rust. He got them hose. I guess they're technically lines more than hose, but yeah, minor technicality. Don't lose your nuts or bolts. Mostly your nuts. Sometimes your bolts. But yeah, we got side skirts because this one's okay, but that one's non-existent. Well, we really need to find, if you guys know where to find one, since the junkyard didn't have one, we need a driver's side door handle. Please. Please and thank you. Man, my neighbors have some nice chromey side mirrors. When in doubt, always keep a box of bolts, because if you misplace bolts, it comes in handy to be able to replace them. Not just find random mix match, not same size, can't get washers off bolts.
Kathy, what you gotta do? How do you think half this exhaust is put together right now?
I don't want to know how half this exhaust is put together. You want to know what I did when I had bolts that were messed up? I went and bought new ones.
We don't have time for it, okay? Do we?
You're gonna be like that Civic we saw after that car meet, driving his exhaust down the road.
You know what? I know what I'm doing.
Sparks were flying.
I know what I'm doing.
And not in the good manner. Everything is lining up nicely. Oh. Oh. In case you guys wanted to know, I'm not up to date on my tetanus shot.
if I can get the motor off without taking out the whole drain.
That's the important thing in life, people. Make
Or when I
sure
get pulled over.
your windows go down so you can go in the drive-thru. Not for when police pull you over and you need to be able to roll your window down by law. It's all for the Mackie Daniels and the Chicky Nuggies. Gotta have them Chicky Nuggies.
Or the hot fudge sundaes that you like to enjoy.
I do enjoy hot fudge sundaes. I will not deny. I like my hot fudge. Fudgy fudge. I'm leaving you in the trusty hands of Javier. Be nice. So this has been such a weird week in the sense that I really haven't done anything car related. And it feels really weird. I'm just gonna play around a little bit in the garage. I don't really know what I'm doing. I might try to get some pistons out or something from this engine. Let's see what we can do. The main reason I want to get the pistons out is I want to get this block as light as possible because I still can't get the harmonic balancer off, which means I'm going to probably have to take it up to the shop down the street and see if they have something that can break it loose because I'm out of ideas. Neither of us can get it off, so it's just fine. I don't know what to do. As I shake oil all over my garage. That was dumb of me. Good one. Good job, Rachel. I'm gonna try to take some of this stuff off. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we will find out. Cause that's like obviously a weird angle. Yeah, there's no way this is coming off without this coming off, and this won't come off. I don't know what to do, guys. Got any recommendations before I take it to the Shopee shop and let them ugga-dugga it out of some sort? Leave a comment down below. Tell me how to get this off when it no come off. I do have some exciting news. I don't know if it'll end up in this video or not, so I don't want to spoil anything. But if it doesn't end up in this video, stay tuned till next week because there's something exciting happening in the morning. A lot of the times my videos don't come out until like the week after I already did everything. I'm having to learn this whole social media don't post on Instagram until it's released on YouTube, but you know, another day in the life of whatever this is. I mean, we're getting so close. All the pistons are out. You know? We got the head off. Obviously, there is no head down here. No oil pan or anything up here. But I gotta get this baby off before we can continue. If you guys have any recommendations for what you would like to see on this channel, feel free to let me know. I mean, we have 4 pretty much Hondas. If you want to see some more stuff on the Integra or on the Prelude or on the CRV or on the S2000, let us know. I was thinking about just doing car wash day. And you can watch us clean our children with 4 wheels. But I don't really know what's going on with my life right now. So it's hard to even like think about what's happening here. Until next time, keep on keeping on.